Hello everyone, welcome to Fvr-Multi. In today's video tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to fix OS not found error in your PC. Before going to fix the error, you just boot your OS on pen drive. This is the issue. An operating system was not found. Try disconnecting any driver that don't contain an operating system. Okay guys, now we go to fix this issue. This pen drive have Windows installation file. I just plugged in my laptop. Before going to boot OS, you just verify your USB legacy setting is enabled or not. So you go to BIOS setting and verify USB legacy. Turn on your PC and press F2. It open BIOS setting. You just enable USB legacy option. In boot setting, USB boot is enabled, and now you go to select legacy option. You just move your pen drive to first one. Why move the pen drive to first one? Because whenever you turn your PC, it directly go to booting option. When the pen drive is plugged in, F6 button is used to move, so you use F6. Now press F10 and save and exit. And it directly go to booting option. This is Windows setup interface, and you click next to using tab key. Now click repair your computer option. Now click troubleshoot option, and now click advanced option. You just open command prompt. Now we go to view your disk partition. So type disk part in the command prompt. Now type list disk. It show available disk in your disk. Now select disk 0. So you type select disk 0. View all the volume in this disk. And these are the volume in your disk. System user only have MB size, so we easy to identify it. You just select the system reserved volume. You just activate this partition. Type active in command prompt. Now you exit from this window. Just type exit, and it exit from this part, and again type exit. Then close your command prompt and turn off your PC and remove your pen drive. and then you turn on your PC. You easily fix this issue. Now we go to see how to I got this type of issue. Open your file manager and right click this PC option and click manage and click disk management, and your disk partition are available here. You just click any other partition except C: and system reserved. You just right click any other partition and you click mark partition as active. You just read out this information. Then only you know why is not found issue. Thank you for watching, guys. Do subscribe for regular updates.